friends, good afternoon. We are here today with our third program of ILA's Kitchen.
We are going to show you how can we make Adas Polo.
Please be with us.
For this food we need 2 cup rice like this and 1 cup lentil, green lentils, and 1 cup raisin, optional 3 eggs, saffron, cinnamon, oil, salt, and optional date without a stone. First of all, we wash the green lentils and cover with water and put in the gas. First of all with high heat, and after 10 minutes put in the low heat to medium cooked, and a little bit 1 teaspoon of salt, and cover it to start cook. Meanwhile the lentil cooked, we wash the rice. We had 2 cups of rice. We wash to starchy rice comes out 2 or 3 times. And add, we had 2 cups rice, we add 3 cups of water. 1, 2, and 3. We put pot in the gas and add salt and 1 tablespoon of oil, and about 10 minutes with high heat, and after 10 minutes we put in the lower heat until must be middle cooked, no completely cooked. At the moment I am going to fry raisin with 2 tablespoons of oil. You must be careful because raisin very fast burn, and is optional, and at the moment I take it out all a stone of dates to mix and fry with raisin.
You can serve it separately, raisin or date.
It's
and you
optional.
you can serve it together. This is optional.
What I suggest to use raisin and date. It's
Together.
very delicious. Yes. Now I add date and a little bit fry. No more, because date is burned very fast. And add cinnamon, at the moment lentil is still hard. Nearly 20 minutes is okay to cook, middle cooked. Now green lentils is middle cooked and is ready to mix with rice. And add oil, 2 tablespoon. Add oil and mix it. When it's mixed, I add saffron. I love saffron. And put it lid, and at the moment low heat, and nearly 40 minutes is good to be ready. Now rice lentil is ready. Before to serve it, I fry the eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, and add 3 eggs. I tell you, it's optional. If you like, you can add it. Now is the time for serve. Everything is cooked and ready. You can put top of the rice date and raisin. We cover with raisin and date, and is as you tell you is optional. We put egg top of the raisin and date. Food is ready. Now food is ready, and we are going to eat.
We miss you now, and I wish you try at home
And enjoy.